So thought leadership ads are one of the best ad formats right now on LinkedIn. Since it's coming from a personal profile, there is a like element of trust out there when you are using the thought leadership ads. And let's say people who have engaged with this thought leadership ad, then you can move them to the next stage of funnel and can retarget those people, let's say with a middle of funnel kind of offer, like a gated checklist guide, ebooks, white paper kind of thing. But at the same time, thought leadership ad is coming from a personal profile, while let's say a second stage of the funnel is coming from the company page. So the person who has already interacted with the thought leadership ad might not connect with the company page. That's the same thought leader from the same company with whom I have interacted with. So it's always better, let's say, if the thought leadership ad maybe has some mention of the company, whether it's in the post, whether it's in the maybe comment, or whether it's maybe taking to the same some landing page or some website page of the company, so that a person who interact with knows that okay, this thought leader belongs to this company, so that when he sees the next ad in the next stage of the funnel, he quickly recognizes that and then interact with that second stage of the funnel and then moves to the third stage of the funnel. So yeah, I would always recommend to have some sort of a company connection when you are putting a thought leadership kind of post. Thanks so much.